Hey guys, welcome to Delft Stack, and this is how to fix TikTok camera not working. So guys, if you ever have encountered this issue, what you could try to do is just simply changing some settings on your phone. So guys, to do this, just simply follow along. First is you could just simply go ahead and go to the settings into your device to fix the issue. Now, here on the settings, guys, you can just simply go ahead and scroll down over here until you see over here apps. So go ahead and select apps. And now from here, you should be able to see all of the application installed into your device. And you can just simply go ahead and try to find TikTok application over here. Or if you cannot find it, you can just simply use the search icon on the top right corner of the screen. Now, here on the TikTok, you will have an option over here if you scroll down, permissions. So go ahead and tap on permissions. And now from here, as you can see, we have two categories over here. We have allowed and denied. So from here, you can just simply go ahead and select your camera if it's denied. So from here, you just have to select allow in order for you to fix your TikTok camera. So guys, mostly this is the way to fix the issue. And now when you use your camera on TikTok, you should now have a working camera and you can use your camera directly on the application itself. And there you go. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. And if you have any questions, just simply go ahead and comment down below, and we will do our best to answer them all. And see you in the next video.